I still don't have a light yet. We just moved here, so I didn't have a light in my mom's house either. Oh well. I don't ever talk in these because I never know what to say. So, yeah. So pretty. It's prettier in the dark, but my tree. We can't afford a tree this year, so this is our tree. I like the spice. Wasn't even in focus. Cool. Also, when I talk, I'm very weird. Awkward, I might say. That spoke. This is what the noodles look like. Don't know why I said it like that, but yeah. This is like the best lighting that I can do right now. I'm in front of the window. We don't have a curtain yet. But oh well. This shit is hot. Ugh. Ew, it's on my chin.